Hello, my name is Ethan Nielson. Today I will be briefly presenting on the new important astrological discoveries of Earth's ambipolar electric field. Many of you are likely familiar with Earth's gravitational and magnetic fields. Scientists have been able to measure and study those forces more directly for some time now. As for Earth's ambipolar field, it has been theorized since the 1960s, but until just recently, May 11th, 2022, it had not been physically measured due to lack of necessary technological advancement. So what is this newly discovered ambipolar electric field? Simply put, it is a force that helps facilitate more balanced movement of charged particles, ions and electrons, so that they don't separate too much. Without this field, electrons would move much faster than heavier ions because they are lighter, which could create strong charge imbalances. So you're likely asking, why is this charge balance important? Well, the ambipolar field, though typically very weak, specifically helps counteract the effects of gravity on particles in our atmosphere. This balance of charges is important for holding our atmosphere suspended against gravitational forces while also not allowing it to be so distinctly charged that it can escape the Earth's gravity altogether. The role of the ambipolar field, alongside with the role that gravity and electromagnetic fields play, is crucial in striking the balance conditions necessary to allow our planet to have a constantly suspended atmosphere, which in turn makes life on Earth sustainable. In a video highlighting how NASA measured this force for the first time, Lacey Young of NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center describes the ambipolar field as a conveyor belt slowly facilitating particles' movements in the upper atmosphere. Like a conveyor belt moves products in an orderly fashion for a factory, the ambipolar forces gently move charged particles through the upper atmosphere against the forces of gravity. Without the conveyor belt forces slowly moving these particles at a balanced speed with each other, the light electrons would rush ahead, leaving the heavier ions behind, disrupting the balance and causing instability. So how else does the ambipolar field affect the planet? Lacey Young, answering this question, says bluntly, I can't tell you yet. This field is fundamental to understanding how the planet works. It has been here since the beginning alongside gravity and magnetism. I can't tell you how much of an impact it has had yet. It is a fundamental part of how the Earth works, and now that we finally measured it, we can actually start to ask some of those bigger questions. Hopefully you've enjoyed my presentation highlighting this important new breakthrough. My goal in presenting this topic was to highlight that even though we have learned much about the universe, scientists are constantly discovering and learning more. The idea that less than 2 years ago we measured a fundamental force to our planet for the first time is fascinating to me. On that note, I would encourage all of you to continue your personal understanding of the universe, as well as continue to gain more knowledge and understanding about the universe. We can be better suited to adapt to our current state and inspire innovation for the future as we do so. Thank you.